So this was quite the week for Janhvi Kapoor, you know. She announced her relationship with Shikhar Paharia finally. Apparently they're childhood sweethearts. Why are you about to laugh?
Because she's been saying that since forever. They finally like.
Yeah, she's
came
been
out.
hiding it, right?
Yeah.
He even, in fact, went with her to the Tirupati Balaji temple.
Wow, that's sweet.
Which, by the way, she, you know, part of the temple, she climbed just right on her knees. Imagine the amount of devotion. And then she came for the Maidan screening and she was wearing a little pendant with Shikhu written on it. And that was like her way of like announcing the whole thing. And I think it was pretty sweet. But other than that, there was so much going on with her. She even released those pictures from Radhika Merchant's bridal shower that she hosted.
Yeah. I mean, that was lovely, you know, and
Very sweet, everybody in the pink pajamas and all of that. It was quite nice.
right.
And the best part was, you know what? I saw this video that surfaced of hers with her mom when she was a child. And, you know, there's Sridevi in the frame and it's her. And it's a really cute video. You should check it out.
Yes, you must. The shootings outside Salman Khan's house, that was horrific. And
The fans are still reeling from the
right,
shock.
Absolutely. I mean, it is really recent still, so there's. I mean, we're at a loss of words, you know, what to say. We just hope that the Khan family is safe.
Yeah.
However, Arbaz Khan did release a statement on behalf of the
Finally?
family. Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. So basically, his statement was that the family is not doing okay. Of course, it will be a shock and it is a traumatic event for them.
Yeah.
But they're cooperating with the Mumbai police and they have full faith in them.
Even Salim Khan had said something, right? Or was that like a fake thing?
Right, yeah. Salim Khan said not to give it too much attention because
That gives power
exactly.
to the people who did it.
In
yeah.
fact, he was also seen roaming around in a swanky silver Mercedes the other
Yeah?
day. Yeah, post the shooting.
Even Arbaz and Shura visited the house and a lot of friends and families, including
Right.
Raj Thackeray, was actually spotted.
Right, even Sohail Khan visited. Arbaz's son too visited.
Okay.
Yeah, Salman
Yeah,
Khan.
so a lot of friends and family are showing their support, and we really hope that the family recovers real soon.
Absolutely.
So obviously, I'm sure they've amped up the security. But in other news, in the Anand Pandit, you know, there was his daughter's wedding last week. So Imran Hashmi and Mallika Sherawat ended their 20-year feud. You know,
Yeah.
it was like quite nice. Like it was, you know, all over the internet. They shared a warm hug. It was quite interesting because you haven't seen Mallika Sherawat in I don't know how long, and they were obviously popular during Murder, you know, for the famous kissing scene and all of that. And after that, I think they haven't spoken for 20 years.
Yeah, but what did they fight about?
Okay, so the funniest thing is it came from the mother lode of all gossip, which is Coffee with Karan. मतलब Coffee with Karan ने कितने घर तोड़े होंगे, घर मतलब friendships तोड़े होंगे. So this is also from that only.
Okay.
So basically, Imran Hashmi apparently went on the show and he said that Mallika Sherawat is a bad kisser.
Oh no, he did.
After so many times of kissing her, he actually said that, and that time he was known as the king of kisses, right?
He still is, isn't he?
Yeah, I mean, at least on-screen kisses.
On-screen, yeah.
So after that, Mallika and he had a major fallout, and they hadn't spoken for 20 years.
Oh my god, that's crazy long to have like a fight going on between friends.
Exactly. So finally, we got the little sweet moment between them where they ended it.
But give us the chur on what made you guys end the fight.
Exactly. दोनों अब famous नहीं रहे शायद इसलिए. It's their old birds now.
Yeah, a way to gain clout.
Yeah. So speaking of broken relationships, Do Aur Do Pyar is releasing on 19th April, and it's about, you know, this couple, which is played by Pratik Gandhi and Vidya Balan, and they are, you know, kind of bored in their marriage, and they're just on a brink of a breakup, and they're actually seeing other people. So there's Eliana D'Cruz and there's some other guy, I don't remember his name. So Vidya Balan is seeing someone else and this guy is seeing someone else. and they're just about to reveal their secret relationship to each other. Then something happens, and they kind of rediscover their chemistry, and then they are actually struggling with the whole fact about wanting not to tell their partner, and these guys are like nahi bata do types. So it's basically about rediscovering love, and you know, like how they kind of rediscover their love for each other, and it looked like pretty funny, and also it looked a little bit relatable also. I mean, for a lot of people in maybe like that 25-30 kind of age group.
Right, it does sound funny. I
It
am
is.
definitely going to check it out.
Yeah.
Speaking of funny, there is Premalu that released on the 12th of April on Disney Plus Hotstar. It's basically the story about Sachin who goes out to find his true love, but ends up creating awkward and funny situations. I guess we've all been there, haven't we?
True, and you know, I was reading some of the reviews, and people have actually said that for the entire 2.5 hours they were laughing. So I definitely want to watch something like that. It's in Malayalam, so
But it's a romantic comedy. I'm sure it's going to have us laughing as well.
I'm pretty sure.
Yeah.
So speaking about relationships again, just a couple of days back, I read on Reddit that somebody has been writing about Kusha Kapila dating Anubhav Singh Bassi.
Really?
Yeah, I don't know, like it sounds like a rumor right now, but she definitely has a type, and it's so funny because people have actually commented on that Reddit article saying that, you know, she definitely has a type. You know, her ex Zor looks very much like that. She was rumored to be
Beard,
dating.
I think they
Yeah,
both
the
got
beard
beards,
thing,
right?
exactly.
Yeah.
So, and then she was rumored to be dating Arjun Kapoor.
Yeah.
And he's also got a beard. So if she's actually dating Anubhav Singh Bassi, she definitely, matlab beard uga hai, so that means you have a chance with Kusha Kapila.
Who's
I
gonna
should
grow
say that
beard
it's just a
after?
rumor, guys. It's just Churan. Don't take me seriously. Having said that, Rajkumar Rao's pictures released last week, and it was really funny because there were so many memes around it, because apparently he's got a chin implant. So you hear a lot of these actresses get like lip surgery and fuller lips and all of
Right.
that. You don't hear that much about like male
Male
actors.
correct.
But people were making fun of him, saying that he's looking like the villain in Fighter.
Yeah, he was. There was such an uncanny resemblance. to
Exactly,
that.
it's so weird. And so Rajkumar Rao actually has 2 releases coming up in May. One is Shrikant, about this industrialist, and the other is Mr. and Mrs. Mahi, starring him and Janhvi Kapoor. So he's got quite the big, movie release lineup. And I guess the chin implant was necessary.
I think it was the wrong time to get it. Nonetheless, I mean, he looked really handsome without it. Why would he?
I mean, he looks like the boy next door. He's not
Yeah.
really a Hrithik Roshan. Come on.
Yeah, but handsome. So cute chocolate boy, but handsome is what I feel.
I call Hrithik Roshan, Arjun Rampal, those kind of people.
They're
What do you
boys.
think, guys? Like, do you think Rajkumar Rao is your boy next door, or is he like handsome?
He is handsome. I think Hrithik and Arjun Rampal are.
Conventionally handsome.
Yeah. We got like categories in handsome also.
So if you're liking what we're doing here, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon.
So Article 370 that stars Yami Gautam is finally releasing on Jio Cinema on the 19th of April.
Yeah.
It's basically about Jammu and Kashmir and the revocation of the special status that they hold.
Oh, interesting. The 2019 news.
Right,
basically.
yeah. So Dune 2 has also released on the 17th of April. It's basically the second part to the namesake of the book. Have
Oh,
you checked
great.
it out?
No, I really haven't seen the first part,
You
to be
must.
honest.
You must.
So, which reminds me, तुम्हारे गांव की news आई है.
Banaras?
Yes. So,
Wow.
Kriti Sanon and Ranveer Singh with Manish Malhotra went to the Kashi Vishwanath temple, and they visited the Banaras Ghats and everything. Basically, they were there for an event. They were headlining a show called Banarsi Sari. So they walked the ramp for Manish Malhotra. But the event actually featured the handicrafts and handlooms of Banaras.
Those are beautiful.
They are like
Yeah.
Banarsi sari is totally my favorite, and the ghats and the food, the kachoris of Banaras. Oh my God, they're
the
to
Ganga
die for.
Aarti and
It's brilliant.
The boat ride is just serene and mesmerizing.
Yeah, they must have had quite a good time over there, I'm
Yes,
sure.
absolutely. I mean, I do hope they had malayo and the tomato chaat.
Oh,
which are
yeah,
two of
yeah,
the
yeah.
most famous things
It's
to have.
in the Kashi Chaat Bhandar. If you haven't checked it out, and if you are ever going to Banaras anytime soon, check out the Kashi Chaat Bhandar.
Yes. Also, another news: Kriti Sanon and Alia Bhatt had a really cute moment where Alia sent a voice note to Kriti.
Oh.
Yeah, appreciating her work, and it was this really amazing girl power sort of moment that happened.
Nice.
They both won the national award as well, right?
Yes, she for
Kriti-
Mimi and
Right.
Alia for Gangubai.
Gangubai,
Right,
yes,
right,
correct.
right.
So I mean, it's lovely to see women
Supporting each other.
uplifting, yeah,
Yeah,
other
yeah.
women.
If you haven't seen the message, you can check it out here right now. So I don't know if you got the chance to watch Amar Singh Chamkila on Netflix last week, but if you did, I haven't seen it. I don't think Priyanka has seen it. Priyanka, have you seen
Not
it?
yet.
Yeah.
It's
So
my weekend binge.
okay, so hope it's good, and do tell us in the comments what you thought about the film, because both me and Priyanka would love to know what your reaction is, and whatever the top comments are, we will feature it in our episode in next week. Until next time, bye bye.
Bye bye.